Something that we've been working on last week and also this week is division, long division, okay? And I know last year in the fifth grade, the fifth graders, they did a lot of partial quotients. Probably some division that you'd never seen before. Well, lucky for us, sixth grade is jump straight to the algorithm. We do division exactly the way you and I learned how to divide. We go through these steps right here. First we divide, then we multiply, we subtract, we bring down, and then we start the whole process back over until we get a remainder, or in some cases, a decimal. So I'm going to work these two examples out right here and show you what these steps are and how we do them. So we start off with 5,224. So we're going to start off one digit at a time, one number at a time. So we've got 5 divided by 8. What is 5 divided by 8? You can't do it. It's a 0, okay? So when we have that, we're going to bump over to the next number, the 2. So we're going to look at 52 divided by 8. So what is 52 divided by 8? Is that 6?
Yes.
Is that 6? What is 6 times 8? 48?
48.
Is that right? Okay,
Yeah,
48. And so now that's our multiply. 6 times 8 is 48. We subtract, okay? We do what we have to there. We get 4. And then we bring down our 2, and we're left with 42. And so we keep going through this whole process. We go back up to the top and divide. 42 divided by 8. That's 5, because we know that 5 times 8 is 40. We subtract, we get a 2, and then we bring down our 4. And now we're left with 24 divided by 8, which is going to be 3. 3 times 8 is 24. We subtract, we get a remainder of 0. There's nothing else left to bring down. So there's our answer, 653. It's the same type of division that I learned back when I was in school. Parents probably learned it the same exact way as well. One more problem. We've got 3,672 divided by 18. This is a little bit different because it's a 2-digit number, okay? 3 divided by 18 is going to be 0 because I can't do it. I bump over to the 6, so now I've got 36. 36 divided by 18, that's going to be 2. And then 2 times 18 is 36. I subtract, bring down my 7. Now, this right here is pretty important, okay? This right here is pretty important. What is 7 divided by 18? Can't do it. It's another 0. You've got to put that 0 in. A lot of times we just jump over and we go ahead and bring down the 2 and we forget that 0. Well, we cannot forget that 0. Okay, now I bump over to the next digit and I've got 72 divided by 18. I believe that should be a 4. That should be a 4. 4 times 18, yes, will give me 72, and that is a 0. There's my answer, 204. Okay, this division, we've been working on it some. Last week, we started long division last week, and this week, started yesterday. This was yesterday, Tuesday, we started dividing decimals. I am going to make a video of dividing decimals later on, and I'll post that when I can. But this is just straight division of whole numbers, okay? Sometimes we do get a remainder, sometimes we don't. Okay, thank you. Go ahead.